Today's video is all about family fun. We are sharing 10 easy woodworking projects for kids that are perfect for beginners. These projects are simple, safe, and a great way to spark creativity while teaching basic skills. Birdhouse, a classic starter project. Building a birdhouse teaches kids how to measure, cut, and assemble. Use pre-cut wood pieces to keep it simple, and let them paint it afterward for a personal touch. Picture frame. Help your kids create a frame for their favorite photo or artwork. It's as simple as cutting 4 pieces of wood, gluing them together, and adding a backing. They will love seeing their work displayed. Wooden toolbox. The small, beginner-friendly toolbox is both fun to make and practical. Kids can use it to carry their tools or toys. A hammer. Some nails and a little guidance are all they need. Pencil holder. Turn a simple block of wood into a pencil holder. Drill a few holes in the top, sand it down, and let the kids decorate it with paint or stickers. It's easy and functional. Wooden coasters. This is one of the easiest projects. Cut small squares or circles from wood, sand the edges, and let the kids decorate them with markers or woodbinding tools, with adult supervision, of course. Toy car. Who doesn't love a handmade toy? Pre-cut wheels and axles make this project super simple. Your kids will love assembling their very own wooden car and racing it afterward. Step stool. A step stool is a great beginner project that's also useful around the house. You will need to help with cutting the pieces, but kids can take the lead on sanding, assembling, and painting. Wind chime. Let your kids create a wooden wind chime. Use small wooden shapes, string, and bells to assemble a fun and musical decoration for your porch or garden. Wooden name sign. Help your kids carve or paint their name onto a piece of wood to create a personalized sign for their room or desk. It's easy and makes a great keepsake. Key holder. A wooden key holder is super simple to make. Attach a few hooks to a piece of wood, and let your kids decorate it however they like. It's practical and fun. There you go, 10 fun and easy woodworking projects for kids. These are perfect for family bonding time and introducing your little ones to the world of DIY. Which project are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.